am I taking a lot of these vacations too often? Kinda yes. Do I need these vacations? Hell yeah, because बहुत hectic हो जाता है सब कुछ. And I think I have worked enough for the past 2-3 months that I deserve to go home and rest for a while. I need to wind down. My flights leave in an hour and I have not still packed. Right now I have to pack. I have to have my breakfast. I have to catch a bus. I have to catch a flight, and I have to vlog all of this as well. I mean, but ठीक है. Everything is manageable. Everything is possible. Somehow I'll do everything. Okay, so one more thing. Shikhar was supposed to drop me bus stand तक, but he's not picking up my phone. Of course, it's 8 a.m. and कल रात में हमारी DJ night थी. So I need a ride. So let's go to his room. Shikhar, supposed to drop me, man.
Yeah, that's good.
भाई जब से फ्रेशर्स आए हुए ना तब से लिफ्ट मिलना इतना डिफिकल्ट हो गई ना. 4 लिफ्ट है यहाँ पे, बट आई हैव टू वेट एटलीस्ट 5 minutes बिफोर द लिफ्ट कम्स. सी ऑलराइट, सो आई एम ऑल ड्रेस्ड अप, आई एम ऑल पैक्ड अप. ऑल आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इज शिखर टू कम, ताकि वो मुझे मेस ड्रॉप कर दे, मुझे बस स्टैंड ड्रॉप कर दे, सो दैट आई कैन रीच airport in time, which I don't think is going to be the case. You might think कि मेरी लाइफ इतनी हेक्टिक क्यों होती है, why am I reaching everywhere late? It's just मेरे जो सराउंडिंग के लोग हैं ना, उनसे भी शेड्यूलिंग नहीं होती, मुझसे भी शेड्यूलिंग नहीं होती. And if it's just you, if it's just one person who is handling everything, probably he can do a better job of managing everything, but I have a lot of factors with me, like Shikhar, I cannot walk that much. Bus stand तक बैग के साथ तो नहीं walk कर सकता मैं. And what are friends for if they're not your lifts, then what are they for? Thank you for coming, bhai. Alright, so we are going to the mess now. और हमारे पास ID कार्ड नहीं है, और वो बंदा हमेशा बोलते हैं ID कार्ड के लिए. I'm vlogging everything.
I will see the plates. Oh, we're waiting for these good ones.
Yeah, good ones. Those are not the good ones. Those are ones with that podi. The thing about breakfast is you get so many stuff. क्या लोगे यार? मतलब I'll probably take a green tea. I'm avoiding milk these days. Bread, brown bread, everything we have. Also, I'm gonna steal some of these sprouts for my trip because भूख तो लगेगी मुझे flight में, and this will help. Green tea is there. ये बंदा ग्रीन टी पी रहा है पहली बार हिस्ट्री में. उसको पता भी नहीं था ग्रीन टी कहाँ रखी हुई है. And I am sure you all know why he is drinking green tea in the morning. I will also make a mini sandwich. That's our dog.
That's Bondu.
That's Bondu. इसका नाम बोंडू है because हमने उसको कभी उठा हुआ नहीं देखा है. He is always sleeping. And if you ask me कि हमारा spirit animal क्या है IIC में, it's this guy. He's so chill. कोई दिक्कत नहीं है इसको. चलो ब्रो, मिलते हैं फिर after a week. All right, bye bye campus. I would normally be sad, but I am not. I need a break. A very much needed break. Hopefully when I will come back I'll be more excited to work, but I need a break. Alright, so I'm in bus stand now. I am waiting for Kia 10. Kia 10 is the bus which will take me from ISC to airport directly. I guess 270 rupees में, which is very cheap. I would have done a cab, but कौन करेगा भाई 270 रुपए में पहुंचा रही डायरेक्ट. I have reached a bit too early. काफ़ी ज़्यादा जल्दी आ गया टाइम से. That's the reason, I guess 45 minutes में I am here. That's the one big reason I take the bus, because मस्त जल्दी पहुंचा देती है बस. So one good reason that I didn't go abroad is this: 2 hours away, I can go home. I don't have to wait 12 hours or something कि भाई flight पकड़ो, and it's not very expensive. Of course हमारा टर्मिनल कोई बेसमेंट पे जाके है, because जबलपुर कितने ही लोग जा रहे हैं बैंगलोर से. But to be honest, when I saw the flights, it was all full. So there are plenty of people who are going to Jabalpur. Jabalpur, 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 my city, the place I grew up in. I love this place so much. जैसा भी हो भाई, छोटा है शहर, थोड़े लोग सीधे हैं, ज़्यादा लोगों का रश नहीं है, but they are like the most humble people you'll see, and I'm so excited to spend the next few days here. I'll just get my bag and I hope कोई मुझे लेने आया होगा. So you see, right, there's like belt number 1 and belt number 2. A few years back we had only one airport. On that airport there was only one belt, just one. At least now we have two here, but it used to be just one. तो उसी में सारे लोगों के बैग जाते थे. I also don't understand my obsession with white. Look at my bag, that's also white. I'm wearing all white. बताओ भाई, अब घर आ गया हूँ, कुछ काम नहीं करूँगा मैं, सब काम करो अब. Look how green Jabalpur is. पूरा साफ सुथरा स्वच्छ जबलपुर. मेरे घर की आनी खुशी में पनीर बना हुआ है. What is this? भरमा भटे and दाल. कड़ी. फाइनली घर का खाना खाऊंगा मैं. The minute I stepped into my house, it's chaos भाई. इतने सारे बच्चे हैं. And like, you know, normally you would think my family is like थोड़ी शांत and all, but my family is really energetic और इतने मतलब खूब मस्ती करते हैं हम. तो yeah, next 10 days would be this masti, and I'll see you in the one. Bye.